Hey everybody, it's me Jermaine again. Okay, here we have Adobe Dimension, and you're trying to figure out how to get your project out. So, here's some features I will go ahead and show you real quick that I did not mention before. Say if you have a package and you just kind of want to work around and see how it looks if it's rendered. Well, you can go to this feature here, clicking up here, and it will give you kind of a pre-rendered feature, just kind of, give you a feel of what the artwork's going to look like. But if you're actually trying to get the project out, click up here to render, and you will select where you want your render file to go. So I'm going to go into my file right here where it's just so organized. So you just click that and then render. And once you do that, it's going to start rendering. And you just sit back. It can take a while. It can take a long while. But this is the process here. And once you're done, you will have a render file. I'm probably going to pause this for a second because we are at 4% of rendering. So this is going to take a minute. So let me pause. Okay, so once we've gotten to the point of rendering our project, all you have to do is I've actually saved it as a PSD. You can also save it as a PNG. But once you do that, you can actually open this up in Photoshop and then just change it over to what you want. It's going to take. All right, so here we have our finished product. So, if you want to change it, you want to save it as something different, you can with no problem. So this is just a little bit to help you further along in your project. Hopefully this was helpful, everybody. Let me know. Thanks.